before this video starts, check out my brand new brand, Horsepower Sweepstakes. I can hand you the keys to this Mustang GT and $5,000 cash. Stop by horsepowersweepstakes.com, grab your entry, and I may just be handing you the keys, the title, $5 grand cash. Enjoy the video. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're in Project Two-Tone. So real quick before we get rolling, the winner has not claimed. Michael Espool, I've sent him an email and a DM, and as of the time of this filming, it's been 7 days, he hasn't claimed. I made a post on my premium subscription page, as we did with 4-Day. The winner's got 15 days to claim, so hoping I hear from him. I don't want to redraw, but if we have to redraw, that will be the 24th. But this is our first time getting it actually out in the wild, so check it out. Just because we haven't been able to drive it, and I guess I'm kind of glad that the winner hasn't claimed yet, because we've still, the tailpipe was rubbing, the brake light switch seems like it's sticking, so I'm probably going to replace that real quick. Taking it for the alignment this week, but I mean, just actually getting it out and seeing it out in the wild has been, it's amazing. This is what you can accomplish if you stick with it, have a plan, have a vision, just do work. Couldn't be happier for the winner. Amazing, absolutely amazing. But anyway, wanted to pull over real quick, just do a quick walk around again. Save these cars, y'all. Save these cars. That's part of why we do this, because this car was toast when we got it, just like 4-8 was toast. Bring it back, have something to be proud of. Anyway, let's get back in and drive it. This is how, like, it has the sound, it has the feel. This is a Fox body. It still needs an alignment, yes, but this is it. Let's take off from the stop here real quick. I gotta hurry because I got traffic coming. That classic Flowmaster sound. And yes, these seats feel like home because they're out of my 92, and spent a lot of time in these seats. don't have my cable, but you got Apple CarPlay right there, ice cold air. So, what would I do to this car, like if I was the new owner? I would lower it, not a lot. It's got a pretty good stance now, but it could come down. Window tint, probably expand on the stereo a little bit, and I don't know, maybe put a trick flow top end kit on it. Maybe it drives so good now, it's hard to say, but I wouldn't go too crazy with it. Like, this is the perfect cruiser. It's not annoying, it's not wound up all the time. It looks amazing, and you can go have fun with it and blast the air in the stereo. That's a good day. All right, boys, so that is what is up. Had to get two-tone actually out, and very, very proud of this. And all the guys that, I mean, huge team effort. Again, waiting on the winner to claim, and we did 15 days as always. So if not, I guess we'll draw again on the 24th. And if he does claim, then hoping he can come to the shop. I don't even know where he's from. All I've got is his email and DM. But, you know, my goal is the winner can come to the shop, hang out with us, take the car out, and take it home. That's why we do this. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.